Hello Jessica, how are you?
Hi Samir, I am having slight headache, dry cough, Kater and I have been sneezing for the past 2 days. And I think I'm losing my sense of taste and smell.
Whoa. Don't you think you need to see a doctor?
Ha. Do you think it is okay to see a doctor now, with the increased rate of this coronavirus pandemic?
Yay, I think it is okay, for quick assessment and diagnosis, and for proper treatment.
But I'm scared that I will be diagnosed of coronavirus, since most of the signs I'm feeling are associated with the virus.
No! It is good to see the doctor than to carry out self-medication. Coronavirus is a deadly virus, and should not be taken lightly. Although other health conditions might present the same signs and symptoms as the deadly coronavirus, that does not mean that it is the virus. So the best thing to do is to opt to go for self-testing, and not necessarily when you fall sick. And don't think that all tests carried out will end up being positive.
Oh. I see, that means I might not be positive at the end of the test.
Oh, yay.
Thanks for giving me this information. Let me go and see the doctor now.